Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Tengkarana Sofia. I'm from Group 1, Class S45. So, Klang River has become critical resource because of river pollution and improper, inefficient of water management. So, the major causes of pollution in the Klang River are industrial discharge, improper sewage treatment, residential discharge, land development and soil erosion. So in this video, we are going to talk about factor of pollution, effect and ways to overcome the pollution.
These days, unethical human behavior has resulted in water pollution in Klang River getting worse day by day. So water pollution in Klang can result from various sources and activities. Some common factors of water pollution in this region may include industrial discharge. Klang is an industrial hub in Malaysia with numerous factories and manufacturing facilities. The discharge of untreated or inadequately treated industrial wastewater can introduce pollutants such as heavy metals, chemicals and toxins into water bodies. Proper disposal of household waste, including dumping garbage into rivers and drains, can contribute to water pollution. Inadequate sewage and waste management system can also be a significant source of contamination. The third factor is marine traffic. Klang's strategic location as major port means increased maritime activity which can lead to oil spills and other pollutants entering the water. And the last factor is urbanization. Rapid urban development can increase the amount of impervious surfaces like roads and parking lots. This can lead to increased surface runoff, carrying pollutants like oil, grease and litter into rivers and streams.
From all the factors that have been said just now, give many severe effects to the river. You know that Klang River is the second highest emitter of the ocean's plastic waste. Other than that, all the organisms that live in the river suffering because of low concentration of oxygen in it. For your information, high levels dissolved organic matter that will inevitably consume large amounts of oxygen that undergoes anaerobic fermentation processes, hence leading to the increase of biochemical oxygen demand (BOD) values. Plus, this situation contributes of more bad pollution which are smell pollution that disrupt the harmony of the surrounding residents. Furthermore, from the research that have been done by experts shows that high percentage of ammonia molecules will literally result the fluctuation in the water temperature. And lastly, even though the rainfall intensity was high, it still can cure and help to reduce the dissolved organic material. Therefore, it shows that the Klang River was badly polluted.
So, there are many ways to solve the problem of water pollution in the Klang River. First of all, by not littering and tell others not to litter in the river like plastic bottles. This is because when you throw garbage in the water, it will flow into the river. Therefore, we must always use the correct recycling bin to dispose of garbage. If you see someone throwing trash in the river, ask them to pick it up or pick it up for them. And also advise them that it is important to dispose of garbage properly or it will end up in our rivers, which threatens our water supply. Besides that, you can get involved in your neighborhood activities. This is because many neighborhood associations offer volunteer opportunities for cleaning and other activities to keep the river clean. In this way, we can ensure the health of our river is maintained like the slogan, "Love our river." Next ways is with water conservation. There are many ways you can do to save water on a daily basis. For example, every time you brush your teeth, you are recommended to turn off the water. This is because water is a limited source, which is why it is important that we need to reduce water consumption whenever possible.
The other ways that we can help to reduce river pollution is organize a river cleanup at Sungai Klang. The more people we have to help, the more trash we can collect. Choosing the date and location at the river cleanup will be a good start up. Then, promoting advice, sending flyers and also share the information on social media. We can also recruit people to help with the river clean up by contacting kayak and fishing clubs. By doing this may help to navigating the river in a boat or kayak so that our cleanup also target trash floating in the river.
Then we should use less plastic. When rubbish is transported to the landfill, it can easily be drained out of the trucks or blown away. Often, the litter finds its way into our river system. By using less plastic in the first place or recycling more, we can reduce the amount sent to landfill and therefore the amount that is at risk of being blown away. So lastly, we can also write to the government about installing a water wheel. Water wheels are a solar power and they filter the trash that is brought in by the river's current. A water wheel can remove thousands of pounds of trash from the river. It might be costly to install it, but for the sake of our future, nature should be prioritized and preserved.
In conclusion, to avoid these scenarios, we can work together to keep the environment clean so the water bodies, plant, animal and people who depend on it remain healthy. So we should
Save our rivers!